Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here macrocyclic compound is given with 4 benzene ring with terminal hydroxyl group. For the fused compound you have to find the compound can give how many number of signal in the 13C NMR. Before finding the number of signal you have to find if there is any symmetry inside the molecule. By looking at blindly you might commit a mistake. You have to rotate the molecule. If you rotate it you can see there are two planes of symmetry present inside the molecule. So two mirror planes, what really happens is creates more symmetry. More symmetry means less number of signals. Here the fact here is the atoms reflected in the mirror plane will be magnetically equivalent and produce same chemical shift. So if you look at it, compound can have only 5 number of signals. So due to the two plane of symmetry, the compound will have only 5 number of signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.